Hello friends, my name is Yuvraj. Today I have made robust structure in Robofun Lab, Ahmedabad. The components I've used are smart hub, motor, beams, splits and many more components. I have programmed for this robust structure. Now we are checking A, B and C building, which one is stronger and safe in the earthquake. Let me show you a demo. This building is just cooled down in fourth round. Now we are going to check B. This building was cooled down in seventh round. Now we are going to try building C. So building C was just fall in third round. So the building B is stronger than building A and C because it has wide and strong base. Thank you.